board with Bamber. He comes side by side with Laurent Vantor as they head towards Mandarin. This is going to be dicey. Brilliant overtake by Bamber. How do you do? Oh no, 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 no! Macau strikes again! And the horrible, horrible sight of Laurent Vantor upside down.
Questo passaggio, quindi è riuscito a scavalcare Brajnik. C'è un bruttissimo contatto con
Bombini.
This is where it sort of all started by unsettling the car, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, he's got line and, you know, you're scrambling when you go over there, and it was the big one. You know, sort of set him on there pretty head on.
And it looks brutal at real speed.
Have only 7.5 minutes plus 1 lap left.
Oh my! Huge accident, a huge off. Ryan Dieter had spun, Piquet is involved, there was another car that's airborne as well. Onto the circuit, Joel Eriksson gets through, and then way up on the curb, Peter Lee into the back, a complete corkscrew, he crash lands. Pedro Piquet goes underneath.
Directo a la piña, ustedes tenían el monitor. Bueno, ahí está la piña, mira.
Ahí sí, busca la calle, sí, sí, claramente, y dio muchísimas vueltas.
Here we go again. Back end of the car broke away. The engine cover was affected.
With them Corvettes. Woo, boy. Oh, Sydney got some oh, hang on there, Sydney Frigo. Into the wall, top end, over and over, and a wild one there. Is Sydney moving around? You saw that car.
Nelson aussi, je m'en fais pas pour eux. Voilà, il y a une grosse bagarre. Oh là, oh là là.
Oh, attention! Oh, le crash terrible! Le crash terrible de Sacha Botman! Le crash terrible! Bouge Sacha, bouge, c'est bon, il bouge.
ところでした。
この先右なんですが、前から行って右後ろも当たってということになりまして、
非常にハイスピードのクラスだったので、
Seeds in so doing, but Tordoff it is who leads the way, and drama in the background because over and over and over and over has gone the Chevrolet, and the car has ended up.
And Hunter just clips the side of the car. Oh.
ETB so far this year. Neil Huggins is behind him on the circuit, and by the look of things loses control of the Lamborghini. The Top Cat's car goes off through the gravel. Oh, and a big impact.
They were passing that battle in GTT, were they? Oh, huge! That's weird.
The Porsche just never turned in.
The Porsche.
Premier tour sous le commandement donc de Keroli, Muller en 3e position avec derrière un énorme accrochage et une voiture qui est partie en tonneau.
So here we see it's on the exit of Pouon, and it's just as he kicks on the AstroTurf, and the BMW rockets into the tyre wall, and a very, very nasty.
La sua vettura al curvone e va ad impattare contro le barriere, ritornando pericolosamente in pista, ma con le altre Ibiza che lo evitano abilmente. Per il pilota solo
Drivers will, you're told, hold your line, and that's he's not wandering around, waving around.
No, he kept his line.
Now, Mike Wainwright.
Well, we know number one. That looks done.
Well, do you know what? I'm surprised he didn't try.
Drapeau agité d'ici quelques instants. Il est... Oh, l'accident! L'accident, une Porsche qui vient de percuter.
He's had an open wheel crash and essentially a sedan. I did not expect to see that car upside down on the track and then get over the fence. We have had initial word through that.
All over the back of Jack Bartholomew, through around the outside, trouble, and that in the air is Phil Drybrough. Straight over the top, it looks like, of Matty Grayman, bouncing high in the air before the roll stopped.
The white flag is out. They're going to crash. Sauter with a big run. They're crashing. Christopher Bell upside down.